In this video I will show you how to improve the audio quality of your on-the-go vlogging setup with just a simple lavalier microphone, a high-quality USB C to 3.5mm audio adapter and a mobile phone, in my case the iPhone 15. The best part, the setup costs around $20 and it's almost plug and play. Let's dive right in. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Last week I published this video, a detailed one about the AGPTEK Lavalier microphone. I unpacked it, compared it to other mics and tested it on different cameras. However, there was a huge flaw, as you can see right now. This is the cable, what you have already seen in the unpacking scenes, and I will connect this directly now to the Lavalier mic and on the other side to my phone via the USB C plug. Okay, that's strange. It says that the USB-C port or this USB-C device is not supported. As promised in the outro, I've bought another USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter, the 16-bit version though, which costs around 7.5 USD or 7 euros on Amazon. Yep, this video is not sponsored, by the way, I bought it myself. It's sufficient for use with mobile devices and also works with headsets. So you can use it with cable headphones with built-in microphones. But today I'm primarily interested in the microphone, this one, functionality. The good news is that it now works without any issues with my iPhone and the Samsung S20 FE. In this video I will focus on the iPhone, but the Samsung also displayed gain levels and recorded sound in both the Filmic Pro App and the standard camera app. So with this additional adapter you can now vlog with better audio, and unfortunately I have to say you may want to discard the included one from AGPTEK. This inconvenience has been noted not only by me but also by other users in various Amazon reviews. Long story short, I will switch now to the audio from the iPhone paired with the AGPTEK microphone. I'm already recording simultaneously here. You will be able to compare this setup with the sound quality from my A7 IV here, connected directly to this Rode Video Micro Generation 1. I will switch back and forth and you will see which one I'm using in the bottom left corner here. Let's do a quick microphone test so you can hear the same sentence twice and check for any differences between the two setups. If you like this video, let the sound flow, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my show. Alright, now with the mobile vlogging combination. If you like this video, let the sound flow, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my show. Well, that's it for my studio test inside. Let's head outside to check how it sounds in a car for our mobile vloggers and while walking around. Come with me. Alright guys, back in the car and I'm testing now the Lavalier microphone with the wind muff. So actually I don't need it, I can remove it here because I'm in the car. And I'm now using the Lavalier microphone directly connected to the iPhone 15. And I'm currently recording this video with the Blackmagic cam. So you can see here a full tutorial how to use it. This is the quality what you get out of the Lavalier microphone in combination with the iPhone 15 directly connected via this new high quality USB-C to mic jack cable. I hope the test is successful and maybe you hear a bit of a sound because the AC is running, but I think this shouldn't make any difference. And you can also check if there is a bit of an echo here in the car. For sure there is, because it's a closed room. But anyways, I hope you are quite satisfied with this test. Okay, wait a second, let me clip this on as well. Alright, and now you have a direct example how it sounds when it's clipped on your pullover. So this is what you then can expect when you have the combination lavalier microphone connected directly to the iPhone via the high quality cable. And I would suggest, let's go. I have to go to the grocery store and afterwards I will go outside and perform a bit of a vlogging test when I'm out for a walk. Alright guys, as promised, I'm out for a walk now. I'm using the standard camera built in the iPhone 15 as my vlogging setup without any external microphone. So you can hear how this sounds now, and there are also some slight wind noises here, and the wind is not that strong, but maybe you can hear it. We will compare it immediately then with the lavalier microphone with the wind muff on it, if there is any difference. So I use a mini tripod to extend it, because in the cinema mode you can see also this blurred background. It's created via AI in the app automatically. And yeah, let's see how the comparison looks like. Let's switch to the lavalier microphone. And by the way, because I talked so much about this cable, so actually this is the cable. So it looks similar to the other one, but it's a high quality cable supporting 16-bit, and you can feel it, and also the quality of this cable is much better. And this is especially made for headphones for mobile phones. I hope you can see it here. Okay, anyways, I use this now, and I will clip this on my lavalier microphone, and then I will plug it directly to the phone and will attach it to my shirt. So let's see how this works. Okay, and this is how it sounds with the lavalier microphone. I'm approximately now 1.5 meters away, because the cable is approximately 2 meters long. And the good thing here is you have a bit more flexibility, but not that much with a wireless microphone. So when I come closer now, you can see me better, and you can see how this sounds and how this wind muff is protecting the microphone against any wind noises. But it's a vlogging setup, so I will take my phone and I will go around, and let's see how this performs when you're out for a vlogging walk. All right, so let's go. I deactivated, by the way, the cinematic mode, so now it will not have this extreme blurry background. But for this test, this is irrelevant, because this is about how the lavalier microphone sounds during a vlogging session. The good thing here is now I have mounted the wind muff, so normally you shouldn't hear any wind noises, or only very light ones. Yeah, the good thing is, as I said before, you are very flexible, the cable is pretty long, and the cool thing here is you really can use this very fast, because I had it in my pocket, I have nothing else with me, no bag, no backpack, you just plug it in and it works out of the box, plug and play. The great thing is that you don't need to switch any settings in your app, so especially the built-in camera app in the iPhone 15 recognized the microphone automatically, and it was very easy to just use it that way. In the Blackmagic Cam app, on the other hand, you have the settings. You can switch between the internal microphone and the external one. I think this is also very handy, because then you can choose which microphone you want to use. But be aware that you have to go to settings, audio, and then switch between the microphone settings. All right, the wind got stronger, and I think this is a very good test for the wind muff. So you can hear on the one hand how it sounds, plus how it protects the microphone from the wind sounds. I would say this would be the setup I would use when I'm just vlogging here, to use the AI function of the blurry background, means the cinematic mode of the phone. And yeah, I hope this test is successful, and then let's go back to the studio for the final conclusion. See you there. Alright, so what do you think? The AGPTEK Lavalier mic set costs around 13 to 15 bucks, plus the additional adapter brings it around to 20 to 22 bucks to use it as shown in this video. In general, I would say it's worth it, because a more minimalistic setup is almost not possible anymore. When you go out and want to vlog, especially in windy situations or places with background noise, this wind muff makes a huge difference compared to the built-in microphone, as you saw in my test. And frankly, the 2-meter cable with the mic is quickly packed in your pocket, so you can just plug it into your USB C port and the phone is ready to vlog. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video. I'm also very curious about your experiences with mobile vlogging setups. What are you using? Do you think the quality is enough, or do you need a high quality camera with better audio? Let me know in the comments below. But remember, the best camera you have is the one you always carry with you. So take care, stay healthy, and see you in the next one.